Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Nissan Rogue. Our problem here is not accelerating. You see, you give gas here, now you accelerate, but in a few minutes it go into limp mode. So we went into diagnose, and this is a part number. We go back, we read the codes, and this is what we see here. P1707, but this is past, it's not available. But P1701 is a transmission control module. There is a problem with it. Most of the time they say that you have to replace the transmission control module, the computer. So we get one, you see here, still there. This code doesn't want to go away. And you try to drive a little bit, you go into limp mode. The transmission control module is located somewhere here. So what I have to do is I gotta use one. I'm gonna try to use J2534 to see if I will be able to read after I put the password. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like.